But how are the children do? This year the Queen Quet head on the body of this year Gullah Geechee Nation. Cover the Hunter one more again for this year Gullah Geechee TV Nayshun News. But look your Hunter children. There plenty of things that may crack my teeth about on this year program. But Hunter might not know about the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association and things like that. Rather was the tradition of we people down here with the water and things like that. Hunter and Yeti we crack our teeth and say the water to bring we up and the water go to take we back. But plenty of time now, the children where the move you ain't know how to act. They ain't know how to work with the water and let the water work with their children. So plenty of we children been run out the creek and things like that. That's why we had this special broadcast with me on the boat called the Hogg. Now plenty of time today, the Yeti these sound like one of the Yeti now. You hear that? With plenty of kind thing, the kind in the grind. But before we had the kind thing, we would have traveled these your river and things like that, up and down the Gullah Geechee Nation, from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida. Plenty of we still do that. Pardon we board and things like that. Some they use the battle, some they use the shrimp boat, some they use all the rest of kind of boat these your day, made of fiberglass and things like that, not made by hand. But plenty of time, 100 children to see these your thing, see I'm pretty on a postcard, but 100 Yeti, what going on top of. So in this year episode, 100 going to see me on top, one of these your shrimp trawler and things like that, to get some of what 100 children love for damn punt. Now one of the things that I especially want you to know about, and why this is so important, is that there is now the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association that is open to fishing families, people whose family has historically kept up our fishing traditions, shrimping, crabbing, and all of this. Oyster picking, clamming, we are looking for all of you. We want all of the family to gather with us together on St. Helena Island, Saturday, October the 30th, 2010, going to be the first Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival. It will be in the St. Helena Park here on historic St. Helena Island, South Carolina. And I'm going to give you a chance on this episode to see St. Helena Island from the coastal side for real. So definitely, 100 children, join me as I go upon the Hogg with Captain Mark Smith and crewman, we got him, Brother Ben Capers. And then we also had our VP of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association on board, Brother Wright. So 100 children, when 100 come with me, then 100 know this year that what's going on. Good morning, how you feel? Captain's boots.
Go ahead up there. That's the wheelhouse. Go ahead up in the wheelhouse.
This is cool.
Mark.
Navigation.
That's the whole map. That's the
right
there.
I see it. And which one is this? This is Port Royal Sound, or what are we in?
That's the radar right there.
Okay, what are we in? Port Royal Sound?
Not exactly. We ain't in the sound yet.
But that's where we're headed?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're on the lower end.
So what's this for?
Coordinates.
Okay.
Like if you gotta go across a hump, he set that.
Right.
And he automatically locks it.
Okay, and it'll adjust according to
when you go across,
yeah.
He get that coordinates,
right.
He know that's the same crossing he could cross, he get that same cross to come back.
Coming back, gotcha. And now what's this one for?
That's the radar.
Right.
He got the radar right now. He going up this channel. The radar set on a 1/4 mile.
Okay. All right. So now what does the radar pick up though for you? What are you really trying to get from that you ain't getting from nothing else?
The radar pick up everything. Weather.
Okay.
Weather making up everything.
Right, so that way you know what you face with.
You know what's around you.
Right.
Right.
Got you. All right. Right.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, all right. So that's gonna keep going till it get down there, and it's gonna pull all that so it get out straight. Okay. So now he's putting them out over there. Okay. Children to do. This year the Queen Quet, one more again for this year Gullah Geechee TV Nayshun News. We're there on the water one more time, children. Where else I gonna be? We're from the island, you know. So look here, the children are gonna learn a little bit about what's going on and why we got this year Gullah Geechee Seafood Association. We're so glad the children that joined me this morning for the wild hog and this year Port Royal South. So children, we're gonna crank some teeth more later on. So in the daylight they're coming up, okay? We're glad they're there. And this year what's going on. For real? Yeah. Where you at? Oh, I see. Yeah, I see him. Oh, he dumping my buddy back.
Some in the net. Got a bunch in the net.
I see that. I saw it. I got it.
Look at that big red thing over there, Queen.
I see him. I got him, boy. You ain't know it. I got him right, Chuck.
That's a ball of fire over there, Queen.
Okay, I'm home. I got him.
You got him.
Mm-hmm. It going to be a shouting good time for this year first Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival. Join the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association on historic St. Helena Island, South Carolina, Saturday, October the 30th, beginning at noon. DJ Kwame Shah, Gullah Geechee Seafood, crafts, and presentations all day. Come to Martin Luther King Drive and Highway 21. For more details, 843-838-1171, 843-838-1171, or www.gullahgeecheefishingassociation.com. Come for join we and Nampana leave it from the sea. This will be the first Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival, and it going to be a shouting good time.